Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking the idea and audience so every AI prompt has direction. Once done, set constraints, tone, target length, and chapter count so the model stays focused. Next, prompt the AI to generate a high-level outline and refine it until chapters map to goals. Make sure to mark research gaps and flag any sensitive topics. This first step moves you from vague intent to a concrete roadmap. Use short targeted prompts and iterate quickly to capture the structure you'll expand. You now convert the outline into chapter drafts by prompting the AI scene by scene. Start with a brief prompt review output, then ask for revisions, shorten, deepen, or shift viewpoint until it fits. Once a chapter reads well, extract recurring phrasing and update your style guide so the model keeps voice consistent. Make sure to alternate creative generation with targeted editing and fact-checking. This loop, generate, critique, refine, scales your draft while preserving narrative coherence and pacing across the middle of the book. You finish by running focused editing passes, big structure fixes first, then line edits, then copy edits for grammar and clarity. Once clean, prompt AI to format chapters for ebook or print and generate metadata, blurbs, and cover suggestions. Decide on a publishing path and prepare files, ISBN, and distribution. If problems arise, repetitive phrasing or style drift, revisit your style guide and run targeted prompts to normalize voice. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves most late-stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.